welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a makeup look and an outfit for Ghoulentines Day and a get ready with me. I have never done my makeup by myself. This is my first time ever doing my makeup. My sister usually does my makeup and she's younger than me, and I learned makeup from her. It's crazy to think that I was always a huge tomboy, and as I got older, I became allergic to makeup. So it even got harder for me to do my own makeup. I wasn't inspired by anything because I was scared to use it. So today, I'm gonna try doing my makeup by myself. I don't know what certain things are called. I just learned that the paint you put on your eyelids is called eyeshadow. I usually told my sister like, oh, I like this color for the paint in my eyes. So I'm gonna try to do my own makeup today and experiment on things and how I do it, because I don't know the first thing about makeup, but I love the way people do their makeup. So if you guys have any tips or advice on how I could do my own makeup and things I should use, just leave it in the comments below. The makeups that I have been trying and I'm going to use today, most of them are Honest Beauty and Kat Von D. And I've noticed that those products from those two companies, I have not broken out in hives or gotten rashes from them. So I have been sticking to them, and I have trial sizes for most of the products to see if they're good for my skin. So here we go. I don't even know where to start from, because usually I see tutorials where people do their whole foundation face and then they do their eyes, and then there's people that do their eyes first and then their foundation. So I don't even know where to start from. But my sister always does her eyes first, so I'm gonna try to do my eyes. This is Honest Beauty primer. So I don't even know what look we're doing today. I'm just gonna experiment. I'm excited to try new things. I'm a little scared. I don't know if I could do this right. So I put a primer on my upper eyelid, and then I'm gonna put this Lock It concealer cream in Whiteout from Kat Von D. I'm gonna put some on my upper eyelid, because I've noticed that when I try to put eyeshadows on, the eyeshadow colors don't stick out as much. I want the colors to pop more, so I'm gonna put the white foundation on to give it more of that pop of color to my eyelid. And I've never really done my makeup as well, because how I'm allergic to everything, and it's just hard to find products that I'm okay with, that it intimidated me to do my makeup at first. But slowly, I'm starting to get comfortable with makeup. I'm not scared of it. So that's a good thing, because before I would never do my makeup. And I'm 34 and I'm just starting to do my makeup. And I'm not ashamed of it, because everyone takes their own time in trying new things. And it has taken me this long, but it's better late than never. And I'm excited to be finally trying to do my own makeup, because I could experiment with new things. Okay, so I guess you do eyeshadow next. And since I want to do something for Ghoulentines, and in my house, we don't really celebrate Valentine's. We incorporated Halloween into our Valentine's, so we call it Ghoulentines Day. This one is from Hot Topic, the handbook for the recently deceased. Love this eyeshadow palette, and you know, in my last video, I said anything that has Beetlejuice, I'm gonna get my hands on. And when I saw this, I'm like, well, since I'm trying makeup things now, I will try this eyeshadow palette. So today is my first time using this eyeshadow palette. So I guess I get a brush now. I know I always see people using tiny brushes, but I have no idea what all these tiny brushes are for. Oh, and these are the unicorn brushes, the original unicorn brushes I got. I guess the way you can tell that they're the original unicorn brushes, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a unicorn design right there. And they're from Unicorn Cosmetics or something like that. I'll link it down below. I don't remember the name exact. So I guess I'll try this one to put the eyeshadow on. I'll use this one for blending, I guess. The darker eyeshadow is the Lydia one from the recently deceased. Put it on the crease. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna see where this goes. I look hilarious. I look like a clown. I'm gonna keep brush. Blend. I'll try the one from this palette. The red one right here. Oh, and then the one thing I do like to use as reference that came in my Honest Beauty like neutrals brownish eyeshadow palette. It's called the eyeshadow trio from Honest Beauty, and I love it how they come with this little chart, and this helps me where the dark colors go, the medium colors, and then the light colors. And a few people that I love watching tutorials on how to do makeup, they are called Lena Buds and Jade Delibra. I love their style and their makeup looks are beautiful. I love to watch Bunny's tutorials on how to do makeup, how she breaks it down detail for detail, and I like following hers because I love how she experiments with new things with makeup, and that's how I would like to do it. The brighter color in the middle of the eyelid, I'm going to use this Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm going to use this pink opal one right here. Ooh, that looks pretty. Thing I use to do my eyebrows is the Honest Beauty brow filler in Rich Brunette. This is my handheld mirror. I love it. How it's gothic looking, edgy, Halloween-y, every aesthetic I could dream of. I got this hand mirror from Kelstar. To do the wing liner, I'm going to use this tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Okay, let's do this. I'm scared. Look at this stuff. Like this. Okay, it's just like drawing. We can do this. I'm not scared to breathe or talk when I'm doing this. I'm scared I'm gonna mess up if I take one breath. Wow, I guess I did pretty good for my first time. So I'm back after working on like 20 minutes on the winged eyeliner. I guess I did a pretty good job on my first try. I'm doing it freehand. So I'm gonna use the primer. Put on my foundation with this Honest Beauty facial oil. And the foundation I use is a Kat Von D lighter neutral. I got a trial right now to see how this goes. Wow, I'm very amazed with this foundation from Kat Von D. It really covers me really good. I'm never used to using like full-on foundation. I've always been used to using like tinted moisturizer, and for me to be putting this full-on makeup, I'm surprised on how good it's turning out. I was scared at first to try foundations or concealers or any of that. I always was used to using the tinted moisturizers, and they always covered me good. I've always been covered good by tinted moisturizers. For me, being my first time using it, I love it. I've actually fallen in love with this product. It covers me really well. I don't have any other problems with my skin besides excessive dryness. And this foundation is not drying me out whatsoever. I actually feel it being very hydrated on my skin. I'm loving this, and the coverage is beautiful. Now I'm gonna put some Lock-It concealer under my eyes in color Warm, Kat Von D. So I'm gonna use this Invisible Blurring Powder by Honest Beauty, and I think it's only one color. I don't think they have different colors. And I got it with this brush, the buffing brush by Honest Beauty. I guess now after curling your lashes, you do this. I'm using the Maybelline The Flashes Volume Express mascara. So now I'm gonna put this lash liner from Kat Von D in Trooper Black. And now I'm gonna use this Kylie Cosmetics lip liner, and I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. I don't have a red eyeliner, and I'm going to put it on my bottom waterline. Just got these Milk Cosmetics stamps, and I got them in a star and a moon. For the Ghoulentines Day look, we could use the moon to add more of the witchy vibe to it. So I put one on each corner of my eyes to add more of that witchy look to it. Because anytime I can make any look more witchy, I'm going to do it because I love it. Goals every day. So that's my whole makeup look, and all there is left to do is do my lips. And I'm very surprised that I'm finally able to put on red lipstick without smearing it everywhere. I'm very surprised and amazed how good my lips turned out, because I am never this good at doing my lips. They get everywhere, the color. So I have straightened my hair to finalize this Ghoulentines look, and I put my witchy brim hat that's from ASOS, and this blazer's from ASOS, and I have this cool shirt that is from Unique Vintage, and this is the high-waisted circle skirt from my collection that I showed different styles on how to style it in my previous video, and I am wearing a size 10, and it's very true to size, and here I am styling it for my own look for Ghoulentines, and I'm wearing a blazer over it, black tights, and some red booties that I got on Poshmark. And here is my witchy Ghoulentines Day look. Hope you guys like, and I hope you guys have a great Ghoulentines Day. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you next time, Ghouls. Bye!